All right, guys, back here again with the K&N air filter cleaning and oiling. We cleaned this off previously in the other video, sprayed the cleaner on, let it soak, then hosed it off with some gentle cool water. Got all the dirt and gunk out. As you can see, pretty clean there. Then we let it sit and dry for about 20 minutes while I was changing the oil. And then now we can go ahead and lubricate it. So in that kit comes the Performance Cotton Filter Oil in an aerosol. Like I said in the previous video, you can get it also in like a tube, I think, and you can use like a towel to kind of spread it. This is a little easier, but a little bit messier. So if you're trying not to get things messy, I'd suggest you use some gloves and maybe some cardboard and stuff. This is right here by my street, so it'll flow back down and away from the house, but it's not like we're going to overspray a ton. But what you want to do is spray on each of these crowns and kind of get a uniform pinkish red color. And you want to spray about 3 inches away. You don't want to saturate it because it comes out pretty thick. And what I like to do is, since I kind of hit that area, flip it over and do it from the same way. And you just kind of let that dry. Or wick, rather. And it'll soak into all the cotton fibers, making it really good at capturing small dust particles. So pretty easy, straightforward process. Now you just got to let this wick and dry off. Well, it doesn't dry, but let it soak in for about, I'd say 20 minutes before you stick it in the car. Maybe wipe up some of the excess oil that kind of seeps through around the rubber. Don't stick it in the car and then run it, because the oil could potentially get sucked in. It's not going to hurt the engine, but it can foul the mass airflow sensor. And then you got to go through and take that out and clean it. It's not a big deal. It's not hard. And the MAF sensor cleaner is pretty cheap and affordable, so it's not really a big deal, but kind of adds an extra step. So pretty straightforward process. Helps give you a little bit more horsepower, maybe a little bit more better gas mileage, and helps the car sound really good, especially in combination with a high flow exhaust like we have on our Grenadier. And then if you get like a tuner or a pedal commander or something like that, then you're going to realize even more gains. It's going to feel a lot more crisp, a lot more responsive. So it's a good little affordable upgrade. And it also cuts down on having to buy paper air filters every time you do an oil change. Those things kind of clog up really easily, and particles get stuck in there. But if you're interested, check them out. K&N air filters. They've been in the industry for a very, very, very long time. In the race car world, off-roading community, all of that. So race proven. If it's race proven, it's good enough for me. So go check them out. K&N air filters. Pick up a kit and get yours installed. Thanks for watching, guys.